Hey guys, how's it going? This is Kovid from Kovid YouTube channel and welcome back to the 5th video tutorial on Python GUI with Tkinter. So in this video series, we talk about Python graphical user interface programming. So if you don't know what is GUI and how we can start with GUI, I have many tutorials on that, 4 tutorials, and if you don't have prior knowledge of Python, I've made much videos and exercises on it. First of all, learn that and you will understand this also and go through this step. So without losing your time, let's jump right into it. So in this video series, we will talk about menus. So what are menus? So you can see over here, when I click on this, it drops down and this is the menu. Hope you understand. Okay, so creating a menu is not a big deal. Okay, so let's start by creating a menu. So this is a variable, you can name it as you want. So then to create a menu, you have to give this function, this method, menu, capital M, and inside this we want this in root. That much, guys. This creates a menu. And you don't have to do like lots of code and go through this and drop down. You don't need. GUI with Tkinter. Tkinter will understand what you want to tell him. Okay, so after this we do root dot. Root means this root level element. Root dot config. So we want configuration. And inside this we just put menu. So menu is its parameter. So let me do menu1 so that you can understand easily. So you can do just menu1. Menu equals your variable of menu. And after that we have created our menu. And then we want to, and we have already created a menu like this, but we haven't given name. I will give it later. Let's create a submenu. Okay, so let's create a submenu 1 equals. So we want menu inside menu, isn't it? So we did inside root earlier. Now we want the menu inside the menu. Okay, so that's called the submenu. And after this, we just need to do is menu1 dot add cascade. So this is the method, and over here we can just put is label equals and file. Let's put like that. What is given? And when we run this, okay, menu is not defined. Okay, here was our menu 1. Let's check over here. It is coming, isn't it? It's kind of good. So, and then we want more items below that thing, the submenu. So for that we just need to do submenu 1, that menu 1, and then add command. So this is again a new method, and it takes label, and let's give over here what's given, new file. Okay, new file, and also you can give a command to it. Okay, let's give nothing now, we'll give after this. Okay, sorry, and it's not doing the work. Why it's not? So let's read from here. It's good, and this is also good. Okay, I found it. And over here we just need to do is menu equals and submenu 1, and this will be done. Yeah, we did it, and this is done. And let's create more on it. So what's this? Okay, so let's create more like this, and we just want to do is copy paste, and open recent files. Okay, open recent files, and then we want a separator. So how we can do is, over here you can see there is a separator, a line. So we in Python Tkinter makes is very much simple to use that. Just you have to do is submenu 1 dot add separator, and that's it. And you can see over here it's done. And what if I want to create another like edit? So we can just do is, okay, let's change its text, save as, and let's create another submenu, that is submenu 2, and let's create like this one. So we just do is menu 1, same thing. And now we just want to do is same thing, just submenu 2, and over here edit, and same thing. Okay, let's do it. And submenu 2 dot add command, and we want to add command with label equals something. Let's see, undo, redo, and we just copy paste, redo, and we want another separator, submenu 2 dot separator, and our work is done. So copy paste, and let's see what's in here. Cut. So we just do is cut, and that's it. Okay, there's no, okay, sorry, here should be add separator, and you can check this out, you can see. And thank you guys for watching this video. I will be uploading more videos on Python GUI tutorial, web development tutorial in Python, and many other tutorials. If you haven't subscribed our channel, don't forget to subscribe, because I love you all guys, and I know you will do me a favor by subscribing, liking, sharing this video. I'll meet you in the next one. Keep coding, keep smiling. Thank you.